On 24th of October last year, we launched in Sichuan province, Xichang Launch Center, launched the Chang'e 1 satellite into a 16-hour orbiter. 2 days later, I transferred the satellite to a 24-hour orbit here. Yeah, about I think then we just in this orbiter for 3 days, we transfer our satellite to the 48-hour orbit. During this time, our working is very well. So it's very accurate in the lunar transfer orbit. Normally we prepared for 3 times for measuring the error correction, but at the final, we only do 1 time. In this area, it's about only about several meters correction. In 4th November, our satellite entered the lunar orbit here. At the 7th of November, we successfully surrounding the moon. So now, our ground application system is keeping on working to receive data and deal with the data now. Now you introduce some instrument for scientific instrument in this mission. I think most of the persons here will see this picture. This is the first picture of lunar surface of moon from China Chang'e 1 mission. I think this used 9 types data put together this whole picture here. We used this picture get some different type images. This is the original. This is the color one. The red one is in high position. Is mountain on the high position. The blue one is lower. And so for this picture, this picture just give the different level of the head. This is the 3-dimension pictures from the front one. You get the 3-dimension picture, and also get another type of 3-dimension pictures. But it's very difficult to show here. You should get the color, the glasses, and so the 3-dimension. I think that will have more effect. This is another picture for Wanhu. I think this is creator named from ancient Chinese. Just here. I think just as my colleague, Japanese colleague, gave this kind of picture. We also have this picture. This picture is very large. I think this is the far side of the moon, and get this typical type. I like this picture very much. This picture is from the spectrometers. They said we have about 48 different spectral bands. We use the 4th band, 17th band, and 30th band, and put all this together, get a color picture here. This is the laser altimeters. We used for to measure the altitude of the moon crater. This typical. This is a typical measurement from the laser altitude. You see, this is different curves. That means the altitude of the lunar surface, and this is not the real data that are measured. This is a typical curve of lunar laser altitude data. I think this is the gamma ray radiometer and the X-ray radiometer, and this solar sensors. This all worked well during the Chang'e 1 missions. I think this is the gamma ray detector. They get the gamma ray radio curves from the moon from 0 to 2. I think this is big numbers. Don't worry about it. This is the gamma ray. This is the X-ray. X-ray spectrometers. We get this data here. You see different color for different band, different energy stages. This is the curve received. This is also typical curves received now. This is the microwave detector. This is the prototype. We take a picture here. This is the prototype because we can show this to the moon. This is attendant to the moon. This to the deep space as the correct antenna here. But now I just get a typical curve here. We use the microwave detector. This is the 4-band, 3.7 gigahertz to 37 gigahertz. The different colors here show the different microwave. This is the daytime. This is the daytime. This is the nighttime on the moon, not the Earth. Moon nighttime, the moon daytime. The different curve shows different the microwaves. That shows something. Maybe scientists will tell me correctly. This is solar high energy particle detector and a low energy ionic detector. We also get some this kind of curves that show the environmental parameters of the moon, of moon areas. This is also the solar low energy ionic images. This is a picture. Okay, I think just a very. All that work is about the Chang'e 1 mission. We get some typical details I saw here. And for the second stage, for the Chinese lunar exploration, it's about 2013 to 2015. We're landing and rolling on the moon. In that time, we will launch 1 or 2 probes to the moon and rovers. We wanted to investigate the lunar environment, to take the high-resolution images, to upload the moon rock soil on the spot. We also want to do something on the moon to observe the space, radiation, environment, and also this work is just demonstrating by my colleagues and I think just in the near future, this program will be approved by our government. We will start this job in the near future. For the third stages for Chinese lunar exploration, we want sampling and returning in about 2020s, maybe 2017, just better processing of the second stage of lunar exploration. We will develop small capsules and something returning to get some samples to return from the lunar surface and get some on-site or on-Earth analysis in both ways. I think until now, for China lunar exploration, we want to use the robotic lunar exploration system till now. This schedule is about till to the 2020s. I think that's all for tonight. I will introduce to my friends to you. Thank you.